Looking to buy or sell game accounts, in-game currency, or boosting services? Is Eldorado actually safe, and are the fees worth it in 2026? Here's everything you need to know in under 3 minutes. Introduction. Eldorado is one of the largest gaming marketplaces where players can buy and sell digital gaming products. It supports popular games like EA Sports FC, Call of Duty, Valorant, Rocket League, World of Warcraft, RuneScape, and many more. But before you use it, let's look at its fees, safety, and whether it's worth your money. What is Eldorado? Eldorado connects buyers with independent sellers offering game accounts, in game currency, boosting services, items, and skins. The platform acts as a middleman by holding the buyer's payment until the order is completed. This escrow system helps reduce scams and gives both buyers and sellers extra protection. Fees. For buyers, prices usually include platform costs, although payment processing fees or taxes may apply depending on your payment method and country. For sellers, Eldorado charges a commission on successful sales. The exact percentage can vary based on the product category and seller status. Sellers should also consider withdrawal fees depending on the payout method they choose. Always check the final checkout price and payout details before completing a transaction. Is Eldorado safe? Overall, Eldorado is considered one of the safer gaming marketplaces. Here are its main safety features: escrow payment protection, seller ratings and reviews, identity verification for many sellers, customer support for disputes, refunds when orders do not meet platform requirements. That said, no marketplace is completely risk free. To stay safe, buy from highly rated sellers with many completed orders, read the product description carefully, keep all communication on the Eldorado platform, never complete payments outside the website. Is it worth it? For most gamers, yes. If you want competitive prices, a large selection of gaming products, and buyer protection, Eldorado is a solid choice. It's especially useful if you compare sellers and purchase from reputable accounts. However, if your priority is the absolute lowest price, remember that cheaper listings may come with higher risk. Conclusion. So is Eldorado worth using in 2026? For most buyers and sellers, yes. Its escrow system, seller reviews, and wide range of gaming services make it one of the better gaming marketplaces available today, as long as you buy from trusted sellers and follow basic safety practices. If this review helped you, do not forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out our other marketplace comparisons. Thanks for watching and goodbye.